I got black inks coming as well. Patty's is gonna be black inks. Ooh, $500 for group buy. Resale must be crazy. Is it like $900 aftermarket? Okay, but I did not. Dude, there's so many like K-pop inspired keyboards. It's crazy. Dude, probably. Cool. Okay, which one do you want? I do like this game. Red Bull sold out. Only one. That's a cool game. I did not. Like, how are you gonna collect these subs if you're never gonna stream? Yeah, let's see a card leak. I really like these cards though. They're like really nice.